Hi friends, welcome to our Educational Quiz Mania channel. Students, in this video, today we are going to learn Standard 5th Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson number 1, What is History? In this chapter, we will see the answers to the questions. Before that, if this is your first visit to our channel, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you get notifications of all videos. So let's get started. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The science that tries to understand past events is called dash dash. Answer is history. B. History is not written solely on the basis of dash dash. Answer is imagination. Question number 2. Answer each question in one sentence. A. What is the scientific method? Answer. The method of using a number of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. B. Of which action is India's independence the result? Answer. Independence of India is the consequence result of the struggle of the people of India for independence. C. What does the study of history make possible? Answer. The study of history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in brief. A. Why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? Answer. History is considered to be a scientific discipline due to the following reasons. 1. History uses scientific method while looking for and collecting evidence. 2. It uses scientific method while examining the evidence and putting it together. 3. Help is taken from other science when required. B. What is it that puts obstacles in the way of village development? Answer. 1. Individual or collective actions of human beings have consequences. 2. Some actions result in an environment that is not favorable for the progress of society. 3. The obstacles in the way of village development are: people in the village do not work together and people in the village do not help each another. Question number 4. Complete the concept chart. District, state, nation, my own, of a school, human civilization, world, of a village. Question number 5. Classify the sources of history using the chart given here. Sources of history: coins, letters, forts, traditional songs, pots, copper plates, old structures, stone inscriptions, folk songs, pillars, biographies, rock cut caves, folk tales. Coins, forts, pots, old structures, pillars, rock cut caves, these are the material sources of history. Letters, copper plates, stone inscriptions, biographies, these are the written sources of history. Traditional songs, folk tales, these are the oral sources of history. Let us now look at questions based on general knowledge. You want to write these questions in your notebook because the above questions can be asked in the state level quiz competition. Thank you.